We're going to hit the water good, Dally boy.
Just watch you don't lose your steering.
Oh, your vision. Steam.
That's one way to wash all the salt out, isn't it?
Yeah, it does. Well, there you go. Alternator's kicked in.
Kettle's.
That's big slipping clutch.
I was going to say kettle's boiled.
Yeah. Oh, it's a bit of fun. Oh no! I'm getting wet! How much water is there in the car?
It's not that bad. It's nice that that thing hasn't blown up in the middle.
Yeah.
Even though we can see through to the floor.
Oh, it's a f***ing laugh.
That's slippery shit.
It is, yeah. Winter tyres, buddy.
Is that what you're running?
I'm running winters on this kid.
I bet it does help.
It does. Are they going to give us an escort? That's cool if they do.
Yeah.
Oh man, no.
Nope. They want to see this thing and see what it does.
Oh, is that it?
Is that really?
Is that it?
God, you can't see anything. Bring your feet up, Grace.
Okay. Where's it up to?
Oh, yeah.
There's your boulders.
Yeah.
But he says if you go right.
Oh, I can see the road here.
It's not that bad.
We're going around doing it again.
That's just a little stranded car.
Yeah.
With the traffic going on top of it.
The Ford car can't make it. This thing's just like, yep. It's not on the outside.
Did you put your 4x4 on?
Oh, clutch judder. Oh, it's a clutch judder. Can't bloody see it, it's all misted up. You see much?
I can see it now. Just watch out for them boulders.
Yeah.
There's something there.
There really is something there. Wait for the alternator to kick in. There we go. You can tell the alternator stopped because the wiper goes slow. Let's go around again. You can see it has been coming through here, look.
Yeah.
Oh, my brakes have disappeared. Loads of steam from the radiator, look. Good old petrol engine. And my clutch is full of water now. Let's go again. It's a shame it's so thingy,
So short.
well, so misty, you can't see it.
Yeah.
There's a van down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, your exhaust definitely underwater.
Underwater, yeah. Alternator.
Kettle's boiled.
Yeah. My brakes are non-existent when I've gone through that. Let's try going through it with just the dip beams on. See
See if we can get a picture.
see if we can get a better video. God, look at it. Can you see?
Yeah.
water's coming up from the thinking. It's so fun. Shit, no brakes. It's squeaking. You can hear the alternator kicking in, listen. I bet you can watch it on this gauge. The alternator kicking in and out. Oh, she's charging really high. Let's go again, shall we? Oop, looks like in gear.
The headlights actually look better on video than they are in real life.
Yeah, let's try my high beams.
Nah, that sucked.
That?
That sucked. That's better.
The cone stuck on top. Oh, there's a lot of
Boulders.
me, yeah.
Do you reckon that guy's gonna make it?
Oh, mate.
He's not in a 4x4.
We need to stick around and watch.
Yeah.
Turn around. Put your behind beams on.
He's going down that road.
No way.
He's not, he's kicking that.